Come on, Bunny, let's go to the farm today. Yay! Let's meet our animal friends. Come along, come and see. Animal friends, sing with me. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. On Bunny's farm, it's fun and sweet. Jump around and say hooray. We'll learn new sounds along the way.
On Bunny's farm, we laugh and toll. Moo, Baa, Quack and Neigh, sing and dance the animal way.
Moo, Baa, Quack and Neigh, sing and dance the animal way. Jump around and say hooray. We'll learn new sounds along the way.
On Bunny's farm, we laugh and play.
Here's a cow, she says moo moo. She gives us milk that's good for you. Big brown eyes and a gentle face, walking slowly with her grace. Jump around and say hooray. We'll learn new sounds along the way.
On Bunny's farm, we laugh and say. Here's a sheep, she says Baa Baa. Fluffy wool as soft as a star, white and curly, jumping high. Sheep go running, don't be shy.
Jump around and say hooray. We'll learn new sounds along the way.
On Bunny's side, we laugh and win.
Here's a duck, he says
Quack, quack.
waddles round and never looks back, swimming in the pond so blue. Quack, 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 how about you? Jump around and say hooray. Gallops fast across the hay.
Shiny mane and tail so long, neigh along in our farm song.
Here's a cat, she says meow meow, chasing mice and climbing now. Soft and playful, jumping high, purring gently, don't be shy. Jump around and say hooray. Friendly bark and happy hoof.
Runs around, he loves to play. Woof, woof, woof all night and day.
Clap your hands, the song is done. Thanks for joining all the fun. Bunny's farm will always be a happy place for you and me. Goodbye, animals. See you next time, friends.
Together, and sing along. Bunny's farm is full of song.